Yeah, hi guys. So today we'll discuss about the search ads. So in the previous video I've explained you what are Google Ads and its types. Today we'll see practically how we can run search ads on Google. So just type Google Ads on the search box. So click on the website. Click on sign in. So here select new campaign. Yeah, here. So here we can run search ads on sales, leads, website traffic. So for brand product and brand consideration, we don't have search ad campaign type. So today we'll discuss sales. So in the next video, I will explain you how we can run search ads on leads. So today we'll see sales. Search. So here you have to give your website URL. So I'm giving you my website URL. Yeah. So here you can also give your phone number so that your customer can call you. So if they're interested in your product, continue. So here you can rename this campaign name. So untick display network. We are creating ad for only search network. Yeah, here location. Whom do you want to target? Who are your target audience? For example, you are running a business in Chennai. You want Chennai people to see your ad, right? So here you can enter the location. Chennai. The people who are in Chennai can be able to see your ad. Okay. And also the people who are searching for Chennai. For example, if they are searching like digital marketing in Chennai, they can also be able to see your ad. So here I will show you the advanced settings. Cancel this. Location options. So here you can select any of this presence or interest. People in regularly in or who have shown interest in your targeted location. So this means the people who are searching for your target location can be able to see your ad, and the people who are there in your target location. So if you tick this, only the people who are there in your targeted location can be able to see your ad. For example, if the person is searching from Delhi about the digital marketing course in Chennai, they cannot be able to see your ad. So if you select this, people searching for your selected location can be able to see your ad. For example, the person is searching from America about the digital marketing course in Chennai can be able to see your ad. So here I am selecting presence or interest. Both can see, like the people who are there in your target location can see your ad, and the people who are searching and showing interest on your targeted location in your ad. For example, so the person is searching from Delhi about the digital marketing course in Chennai. Maybe next month he can take the course in Chennai, right? So we are not sure. So just select this. So exclude in the sense, so whom you want to exclude from your target location. Yeah, languages, all languages. Audiences, this is really important. Audience. So here I already have education as default, so I'm clicking on it. So we are going to run a search campaign on digital marketing course and web development course. So here we want the people who are educated to see our ad, right? Yeah. So here you can select a number of things, their interest. So the people who are searching or planning. For example, if you select this, you can target the people who are planning for what they are interested in. what they are actively searching or planning. For example, if you are running a business of digital marketing, their planning should be based on education. So I've selected education here. Go back. So if you see their interest, what their interest and habits are. So who are your targeted audience are. So here I haven't seen any of them because our target audience is an educated one and entrepreneurs. And go back. Here you see remarketing. We don't have remarketing as of now because it is our first ad. So after your first campaign, you can retarget your audience. Yeah, so I hope you got it. So you can also have demographics like parental status. Like, do you want to target parents? So if you want to target parents, so what age should there be? And marital status. So do you want to target single or who are in a relationship or who are in a married? Education. So if you want to target the current university students or a higher level of education attainment, you can do n number of things, guys. Employment. Home ownership status. Do you want to target homeowners or renters? Anything. You can play with it. Yeah. So I'm gonna set a budget, daily budget. So how much budget you wanna spend in a day? So I'm going with 100 rupees. Sorry, I go with 1000 rupees. Here. So this is very important. So what do you want to focus on? Do you want people to click on your ad more number of time? Or do you want conversions? So just select this. So I'll explain you each of them. So here you can see manual bid strategy, automated bid strategy. So in automated bid strategy, what happens is Google Ad automatically sets your bid to help get as many clicks as possible within your budget. So if you select CPA, so it will show with target CPA, Google Ad automatically sets bids to help you get as many conversions as possible. So everything will be taken care by Google artificial intelligence. So if you select manual CPC, so we have to select the budget, like, so how much you want to spend per click. So if you want to spend 10 rupees per click, so if 10 people clicked on your ad, 100 rupee will be deducted from your account. So based on your keyword, your CPC will be decided. So I'm going with maximize clicks, so I don't want to have any kind of confusion here. So I will explain what are site links, extension, call out extension, everything in the next videos. Here ad group 1. So before designing ad group, I would like to tell you what ad groups are. So as I told you initially, like we are going to create an ad for digital marketing course and web development course. Both are different, right? So if someone is searching for digital marketing course, they should not be able to see our web development ad. So that's why we have to create two ads. One is for web development and another is for digital marketing. So suppose we are having an online course of digital marketing and web development. So we have to create ad for digital marketing and as well as web development. So in order to have a clear picture of what we are doing. So here I go with digital marketing course. So here you can enter the keyword. So based on your keyword, it gives you relevant keywords. So here paste, click on update keywords. Yeah, we have got it. So here you can see, right? So I've typed just digital marketing course. So it has given n number of keywords which are related to digital marketing course. And also after selecting digital marketing course keyword, so we have the cost per click, 18 rupees. If someone clicks on my ad, I have to spend 18 rupees. So why 18 rupees, you might be wondering, right? So why 18 rupees? If 10 people clicked on my ad, 180 rupee will be deducted. But what if any of them purchase the product, purchase the course, which costs 10,000 or 20,000? So this is a magic. So product is good, then so we can succeed with the ad. So if you're not having the good product, even if you pay lakhs of rupees, that would be of no use. Ad group 2. So as I told you earlier, web development course, web development, sorry, development course. So here you can enter the keyword of which you are targeting. My god, I enter here web development. So when you click on get keywords, no keyword found for product or service, web development. Mm, I think I should go with web development course. Web designing course. Okay. So I'm just typing in the URL. My god. So I should type here web development. When you click on get keywords, you'll get n number of keywords here. Click on it. Based on your keyword, you'll get n number of keywords targeted. So after keywords, you can see cost per click. So you have to pay 15 rupee per click. You can get 37 click per day. Cost is 565. So yeah, save and continue. So in the next step, we are gonna create an ad. So I hope you got the difference between ad groups. Just imagine we have two online courses. One is digital marketing and one is web development. We have to create ad for both of these. One is for digital marketing and another is for web development. So here in the display path, you can type anything. So just to look your website beautiful. So I go with course or DM digital marketing. So here you can see the changes. So when I type course DM, so here it has changed. So default it is my blog. So I have to change the headline. So already I have in my notepad. Yeah, digital marketing course. Just copy and paste it over here. Digital marketing course. So we have to fill three headlines. Notepad, SEO, affiliate marketing, and more. Copy, paste it over here. Yeah, you can type anything as you wish, but it should look more relevant, like what you are targeting. Notepad, course certification. Yeah, paste. Here you can see, right? So whatever we are typing, so it is changing. SEO, affiliate marketing, and more. Digital marketing course certification. Now let's add description also. Remove all the default description and add it by your own. To save your time, so I've already written it. Copy and paste it over here. I think it has crossed. So copy this, paste it over here. Join India's the complete digital marketing course, 12 courses. Join. So here you can see, right? So we have set ad group 1. So let's go with ad group 2. So this is ad group 2. So here course web, you can type anything. So it is just a display path. web dev- web development course for beginners. So we have to have only 30 keywords. Web development course. Live classes for 6 months. Headline 3. Course certification. Course certification. So let's add the description also. Description, yeah. Web development course. So I'll take this. Copy. Let's paste it. So it has exceeded. Cut. Yeah. Here you can type uh, learn with experts. Yeah, we have done. Yes, our ad is completed. One ad has issue that will prevent it showing from Google ad. Fix it. Let's fix the ad. What are the issue that we have? Yeah, punctuation. Contains S and remove any non-standard or repetitive punctuation or symbol like multiple exclamation mark from your ad text. Yes, I got it. Punctuation marks. So here I guess. So here this is a problem. So I think here what we did was, so we have added this exclamatory mark. So let me show you like what is the problem, what is the issue that we are facing. Exports. Here you can see that. So let's remove this. Digital marketing course. Course with exports. So now you don't see any issue. Save and continue. Yes. Let's publish. Publish. So I've not entered my billing details. So whenever I enter my billing details, so my ad will be active. Yes, here you can see web development course, digital marketing course. So you can also view your ad group. So here you can see how many clicks you get, how many impressions. So what is the cost per click? What is the cost that you have exhausted? And you can also see the keywords from where the people are coming from. For example, if the people are coming from web programming, you'll get to know here. So how many clicks you get from these keyword. You can see a number of things. Yeah, hope you got it. I wish you would practice daily it in order to get more clarification. So yeah, so I'm signing off. So in the next video, we'll see lead search ads. Yeah, thanks for watching this video.